this video, we'll be looking at the 9 reasons you wake up tired every morning. Do you often go through your day feeling tired and sluggish? This could be as a result of your poor sleep habits. You're supposed to wake up feeling new and energetic, and any contrary reality could have adverse effects on you. If you sleep for 12 hours a day and wake up being tired, then you should pay attention to some of the points mentioned in this list. Number 1. Going to bed at the wrong time. Knowing your chronotype is very essential, and this knowledge comes from days of genuine observation. If you are an early bird and you live the lifestyle of a night owl, your mornings will be miserable. So, take your time, study your best time to go to bed, start going to bed at that time, and watch how beautiful waking up would be for you. Number 2. Having a poor sleeping environment. Having a poor sleeping environment can contribute to you feeling tired after long hours of sleep. One common factor in the environment is the use of blue lights. This is because blue lights reduce the production of melatonin, which is critical for a good night's rest. Number 3. Sleep apnea. This is a medical condition that causes frequent pauses in breathing. If you snore, then there are high chances that you might be having sleep apnea. This would definitely hamper a smooth sleep, causing you to wake up the next day tired. One major symptom of sleep apnea is excessive sleepiness during daytime hours. Number 4. Consuming anti-sleep products. Sleeping 12 hours a day and still being tired can also be caused by the kind of products that you consume. The two major anti-sleep products are caffeine and alcohol. While it might seem that alcohol makes you dizzy, it actually zones you out of sleep, making your day as unrefreshing as possible. Taking products that contain caffeine, like coffee, can stimulate your brain to be hyperactive, and when you eventually sleep, it reduces the quality of your sleep and reflects on your daily activities. Number 5. Depression and anxiety. Sleep and depression are completely intertwined. It is bidirectional because the lack of sleep can lead to depressive symptoms, and at the same time, depressive symptoms can affect your sleep. If you are battling with depression, then there is every tendency that your sleeping pattern will be disrupted and you can develop unhealthy sleeping habits. Number 6. Lack of exercise. Increasing exercise has been shown to decrease depression scores, and indulging in the more healthy exercise, you can improve your sleep quality. Number 7. Restless leg syndrome. This is a condition formulated by the irresistible urge to move the legs, typically in the evenings. Restless leg syndrome occurs while sitting, lying down, or relaxing. It worsens with age and can drastically affect your sleep quality and disturb your sleeping pattern. Number 8. Reliance on sleeping aids. The continual usage of sleeping pills and sedatives can drastically affect your sleep quality. Sedating medications and sleeping pills like antihistamines and hypnotics can leave people feeling tired, drowsy, and froggy the next day. So, if you should be taking sleeping aids, endeavor to always follow a doctor's instructions for using hypnotic sleeping medications and do not build it into a continual habit. Number 9. Having a poor eating and drinking habit. As per studies, people who have a hard time falling asleep at night are some of the most exposed to munching in the later hours. which may increase their risk of obesity and diabetes. We have to be cautious of the consumption habits we build up because poor eating habits can fuel sleep disorders and reduce the quality of our night rest. If you wake up tired even after 8 to 10 hours of sleep every single morning, then you need to identify what is the reason of your sluggish mornings. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates on health video.